Do you guys think that it would really be possible to decentralize these public services using ICP?
I think it's yes for me also. It is possible na maka ano talaga ng mga decentralized apps like what Sir Rod said. But for me, there's a big but for that because there are some existing mga challenges na makikita natin like for example for the tech complexity. We all know that most of our governments are not ready to manage the blockchain system. So lack of trainings. Buti na lang dito sa Davao, open sila Sir June about that technology. So hindi kami nahirapan to integrate or to explain to them. And then also I think yung sa trust in data, yeah, we can do decentralized apps, but what if the leaders or the people input a fake data on it on a blockchain? So dun tayo magkakatalo, di ba? So how we can solve that? And then siguro lastly, yung mga challenges na ito is yung sa law and politics natin. So alam naman natin na ang saya-saya ng politics dito sa Pilipinas. So we can do, but there's some challenges talaga.